Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Everybody loves fries, but today I'm going to show you a slightly different spin on fries. We're going to make chicken fries. I'm going to start off by slicing up the chicken into long strips, just like potato fries. Now for this recipe, I'm using about 250 grams of chicken breast. You're going to cut these up in nice long strips like this. But remember that you don't want it to be too long, because otherwise the fries take too long to cook as well. The next step is to add lots of flavor to the chicken. So I'm just going to put it in a bowl here. Now it's time to marinate the chicken and add like oodles of flavor to the chicken strips. I'm going to start first with adding the juice of half a lemon. Now what this does is that it makes the chicken nice and tender. Half a teaspoon of salt. A quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can use white pepper as well. Quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can just use finely minced garlic. Tiny amount, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of chili flakes. And just mix all of this together really well. You should give it anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes to marinate for the flavors to really seep into the chicken. In the meantime, we're going to move on to making all the coatings for the chicken. For that, I've got about 60 grams of Maida or all-purpose flour. Now to this, I'm going to add a bit of salt. Add about half a teaspoon of salt and just make sure that it's nicely mixed right throughout. The next ingredient for the coating is just a simple egg wash. For that, I'm just going to break open an egg here. No need to season the egg. Just whisk it. Now for the last step of the coating, I'm using some oats. These are instant oats that I've just ground up only slightly in the mixer. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this, again seasoning it. Half a teaspoon of salt right throughout and just a little bit of pepper. Now of course I've used oats in this recipe, but it's perfectly fine to use breadcrumbs. I just feel that oats give it a very nice texture and it turns out really nice and crisp, but breadcrumbs are good too. We're going to deep fry the chicken strips, and while the oil is heating up, we're just going to coat all the chicken strips. Just take a strip of chicken, roll it out in the flour, shake off the excess, very important, otherwise you'll just get lumpy chicken fries. Coat it in the whisked egg. Again, shake off the excess and drop it into the oat crumbs. Shake off the excess again and just put it aside now. And just like that, continue coating all the chicken strips in the exact same manner while the oil heats up. That's it. All the chicken fries are nicely coated, and now all we have left to do is just fry them. The chicken fries are nice and golden. I'm just going to put them on a paper towel to drain. Chicken fries is such a nice, fun spin on regular fries that I'm very sure that your family is bound to love it. Do try this recipe and subscribe to Get Curried.